in LeBron from the question.
Dad, Aisha, Dad, right there, please. Dad, right there.
Nothing I can think of. I mean, I've had road trips, and thank you all for coming here to America to watch our game. You know, for the most part, for us, as you know, we
Gusto ko naman sana may weather. Susunod nating laban. Ayoko naman yung tumak.
I'll be that guy if they decide they want to watch. So, pretty cool. Cupcakes. Cupcakes, the jersey for newborn is coming soon. And another jersey.
Kalokoy, sabi ni Barok, nag-usap sila ni Stephen Curry at saka si Manny Pacquiao. Sabi ni Lebron, magpapautang daw siya ng malaking pera, ipapautang sa atin. Kalokoy, huwag ka maniwala kay Barok. Niloloko lang tayo nun. Si Lebron magpapautang ng pera. Huwag ka maniwala nun. Hindi, totoo, kulokok. Pupunta rito si Lebron, magpapautang ng pera, mamimigay. Iitsa sa atin lahat. Huwag ka maniwala ron, kulokok. Niloloko ka lang ni Barok. Si Lebron magpapagaw. Si Manny, pwede pa, magpapagaw si Manny. Kausap nga ni Barok si Lebron, saka si Stephen Curry, Pacquiao. Magpapa 5-6 daw sila kahit hindi magbayad. Sige.
Watching us, and so many celebrities are in the crowd, and to be here in New Orleans, I remember my first.
Shout out mga tropa, Boy Barok 2, subscribe and follow and like.
To be able to do so many great things.
Oy Lebron, umuwi na tayo. Tapos na interview ko sa inyong tatlo. Umuwi na, may laro ka pa bukas.